Insects are everywhere, and a major food source for insects is plants. There are two basic types of herbivorous insects. Generalist herbivores feed on a variety of different plant species, while specialist herbivores feed only on a few closely related plant species. In a world filled with millions of different plant species, insect herbivores must be able to choose between edible host plants and non-edible plants. Pictured below is Manduca sexta, also known as the tobacco hornworm. These insects are specialists on plants that belong to the family Solanaceae. Solanaceae includes many familiar plant species to us, including tomato, potato, eggplant, pepper plants, and tobacco. Coming back to the question of host plant recognition, many vertebrates have highly evolved food recognition systems where they use vision, touch, smell, and taste to locate their food. Caterpillars, on the other hand, are primarily limited to their sense of smell and taste to find their proper host plants. Let's observe how they can do this. We will do a simple choice assay to find out if a Manduca caterpillar will be able to distinguish between a host plant and a non-host plant, and then specifically choose to feed on the host plant. For this experiment, we will place a circular piece of filter paper inside a Petri plate. Then, cut two leaf discs, one from the host plant and one from the non-host plant. Each leaf disc will be positioned on opposite sides of the Petri plate. Lastly, the caterpillar will be placed along the perimeter of the plate, equidistant from each leaf disc. For this choice assay, tobacco will be used as the host plant and squash as the non-host plant. Here is a real-time video of our host-non-host choice assay. The caterpillar starts near the perimeter, away from the leaf discs. Now the caterpillar is moving towards one of the leaf discs. If you look closely, you will notice the caterpillar's head is moving from side to side. It moves its head like this in order to determine the direction of the host plant's odor. Now we see the caterpillar has detected the host plant and begins to move toward it. Here the caterpillar finds the host plant. The caterpillar used in this assay was reared on artificial diet, so it had no previous experience feeding on its host plant. Yet, it can still find its proper host plant. This simple assay shows that the caterpillar's highly evolved sense of smell allows it to distinguish host plant odors from non-host plant odors, even in a confined space. From our experiment, we can clearly see that caterpillars are able to find their host plants even when there are other non-host plants close by. At long distances, caterpillars use plant odor to locate their host plants. Once the caterpillar comes into contact with a potential host plant, it also uses taste and touch to determine if the plant is edible or not. This is a good example of how insect herbivores have evolved highly specific senses that help them to find food in complex environments. We hope our video was enjoyable and has helped you gain a better understanding about the fascinating field of plant-insect interactions. Thank you.